Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. In my previous video I talked about how you can care for your hair, so I want to continue with that topic. So today I want to talk about keeping your hair clean. Keeping your hair clean is fundamental to having a gorgeous mane and a healthy scalp. So washing your natural hair properly is essential, like to maintain its health, to maintain your hair moisture and your hair's overall appearance. But one of the trickiest aspects of head care for anyone, especially for those people with a natural hair, because that's what we always talk about here, is determining how frequently you should wash. And the best frequency varies depending on factors like your lifestyle or your condition of the hair and your personal preference. So if it becomes dry, itchy or greasy, it may be time to wash. Typically let's say once a week. But if you really work out on a regular basis or you are prone to sweating, you may have to wash your hair more frequently. So the key is just to find a washing frequency that keeps your hair clean, moisturized and healthy, even without stripping it of its natural oil. So for you to properly shampoo your natural hair, I would advise you guys to thoroughly saturate your hair with water and then sectioning your hair in folds so you can make sure all your hair and scalp are being properly cleansed. If your hair has a lot of product built up, I would start with a clarifying shampoo and then follow up with 1 or 2 shampoos, like using a moisturizing shampoo. And we have different shampoos in my description box. That's why I always say go for the one that suits your own personal style and your hair. So many of them, like the MIELLE, the Kings and Coils, the Coils, the Dukes, many of them. So you have to use the one that is right for your scalp. And you don't really want to dry your hair out, so just try and only use a clarifying shampoo once a month. And when it comes to picking your everyday non-clarifying shampoo, just try to assess your hair type, your hair porosity and what your hair needs, as well as also determining your stylistic preferences. So the right shampoo, don't forget, it depends on your hair and the desired outcome. So let me just let you guys to check the rest of the styles. This topic, I'm going to continue this topic again in my next video. So stay locked to Wendy Styles for you to know more on how you can care for your hair. Thank you so much and stay locked. See you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrando shatanaba. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God and my Father. Bless your people. Take away their pains. Ayanabana yokosheta yanaba. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double.